Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most organizations are about to make expensive mistakes when choosing AI agent development platforms. With hundreds of AI agent development tools flooding the market, decision makers are drowning in options. But here's where it gets controversial. The majority of these platforms aren't ready for enterprise deployment, despite their marketing claims. How do you separate the genuine solutions from the overhyped startups riding the AI wave? When you search for AI agent development tools, you'll quickly discover an overwhelming array of choices. Your organization faces a critical decision. Which tools and platforms deserve integration into your development workflow? More importantly, which ones can genuinely support the complete AI agent development lifecycle with mature integration, testing, security, and operational capabilities? Your preliminary research will likely uncover open-source frameworks, SaaS-hosted tools, and low-code platforms boasting AI agent development features. Hyperscale cloud providers, large language model vendors, and ambitious startups are all aggressively promoting their AI agent development platforms. But here's what most people miss. Not all platforms are created equal. Beyond establishing a systematic review process for AI agent tools and platforms, organizations must consider architecture principles, data management requirements, developer AI readiness, and LLM testing methodologies when exploring AI agent development opportunities. I consulted with industry experts to determine the essential evaluation criteria for tools and platforms throughout the AI agent development lifecycle. And this is the part most people miss. These 8 criteria could make or break your AI agent initiatives. 1. Core development and deployment capabilities. Soham Mazumdar, co-founder and CEO of Wisdom AI, identifies 3 fundamental capabilities that platforms must possess for successful AI agent development. Configurability stands as the first pillar, enabling teams to customize agent behavior through prompts, tools, and domain-specific knowledge bases without demanding code modifications. This flexibility proves crucial for organizations wanting to adapt quickly to changing requirements. Evaluation frameworks represent the second essential component, facilitating rigorous testing, benchmarking against industry standards, and continuous performance validation across diverse operational scenarios. Without proper evaluation mechanisms, organizations risk deploying unreliable agents. Monitoring and reporting capabilities complete the trio, delivering comprehensive operational visibility through detailed logging, real-time analytics, and actionable feedback loops that capture user interactions effectively. Mazumdar emphasizes these work together to ensure agents are not only readily deployable, but also consistently reliable, contextually adaptable, and positioned for continuous improvement as requirements evolve and user needs change. My perspective: organizations serious about moving beyond experimental phases into production deployment must prioritize testing and operational capabilities within AI agent platforms. Relying on third-party testing and operational tools creates challenges when they treat AI agents as impenetrable black boxes. Platforms integrating all 3 capabilities should enable the delivery of significantly more reliable AI agents. 2. Advanced data integration and agentic controls. For organizations seeking to expand AI agents into autonomous agentic capabilities, platform evaluation must focus on sophisticated data integration and control mechanisms. Christian Buckner, SVP of Data AI Platform at Altair, argues that enterprises require cross-domain context, core agent mechanics, and enterprise-grade controls to establish genuine foundations for agentic automation. Context encompasses far more than raw data. It includes policies, tools, historical actions, and regulatory constraints that shape decision-making processes. This comprehensive contextual understanding separates basic chatbots from truly intelligent agents. Mechanics involve essential building blocks, including prompt engineering, data pipelines, multi-agent orchestration, tool registries, LLM connectivity, and seamless access to enterprise systems. These components must work harmoniously to create effective agentic experiences. Controls treat agents as active participants in production environments, incorporating access governance, observability, outcome evaluation, and escalation procedures as fundamental features rather than afterthoughts. Effective agentic AI requires a broad foundation of infrastructure and software, much of which is entirely new to enterprises, Buckner explains. My analysis: while basic AI agent tools concentrate on build, test, and deploy functions, platforms supporting true agentic AI must facilitate connections to extensive ecosystems of data platforms, AI agents, governance capabilities, and operational support tools. But here's where it gets controversial. Many platforms claiming agentic capabilities are simply sophisticated chatbots in disguise. 3. Developer experience excellence. After organizations understand AI agent development tools and agentic AI capabilities broadly, deeper investigation into features, form factors, and user experiences becomes essential. I consistently begin with end-user experiences because overly complex tools slow progress and encourage dangerous workarounds. When evaluating agent-building platforms, look for those that combine intuitive development experiences, deep enterprise integration, and built-in governance, advises Dheeraj Pathak, Managing Director of Data and AI at Brilio. The ability to orchestrate across systems, ensure explainability and compliance, and continuously learn from feedback is what will separate scalable transformation from short-lived pilots. This raises an important question. How many promising AI initiatives have failed simply because the development tools were too difficult to use? Developer experience isn't just about convenience, it's about project success. My recommendation: engage multiple developers with varying skill levels to evaluate several AI agent building tools. Establish time-boxed periods for learning and experimentation. Then systematically capture feedback about their experiences. The results might surprise you. 4. Integration and interoperability. Mastery. AI agent building tools demand connectivity to multiple data sources and the ability to test different models and configurations effectively. After validating developer experience, examine how easily AI agent development tools connect with targeted enterprise data sources. When selecting a tool for building AI agents, teams must ensure interoperability and governance are in place to enable full transparency, including inputs, outputs, decision-making paths, and external dependencies, states Steve Lucas, CEO of Boomi. In addition, teams should evaluate whether a platform integrates seamlessly across their broader digital ecosystem, as well as offering no-code functionality to support accessibility and ease of use. Kurt Neumel, Head of AI Strategy at Dataiku, adds crucial insight. When evaluating AI agent building tools, look for platforms that support persistent integrations with enterprise systems and models, allow flexible LLM swapping, and enable continuous optimization through robust monitoring, debugging, and performance analytics. True agent maturity comes from this full-cycle adaptability. My observation: technology organizations frequently accumulate excessive development tools when selections prioritize rapid delivery of limited near-term use cases. Platforms demonstrating genuine integration and interoperability capabilities prove more extensible and likely to support ongoing development initiatives. But here's the controversial part. Vendor lock-in might be worth it if the platform delivers superior capabilities. 5. Operational learning capabilities. AI agents require massive amounts of data, but their abilities in interpreting information and recommending actions demand careful evaluation. In enterprise contexts, this extends beyond connecting to data sources. It requires developing usage feedback loops and building intelligence around business language, roles, and workflows. When evaluating AI agent building tools, it's essential to review their ability to handle customer interactions and support tasks autonomously, explains Rob Scudere, CTO at Verint. Brands must determine their learning capability to improve performance over time through interactions and consuming more data. Additionally, consider the solution's proactive nature in identifying opportunities and potential issues before they arise. Kenneth Stott, Enterprise Field CTO of Hasura, provides a crucial counterpoint. Agents need to learn from operational experience, but that learning has to be auditable and consistent. In enterprise environments, you can't have agents evolving in unpredictable directions based on feedback loops you can't trace or control. Nikola Merksic, CEO and co-founder of Poly AI, emphasizes language customization. What really makes an AI agent feel helpful is their ability to speak the customer's language. You must be able to include lexicon customization in your AI agent build, which means teaching the AI specific words, trademarked phrases, or jargon that are relevant to your business and customer base. My strategy: organizations should develop comprehensive test plans by building AI agents using data subsets, allowing beta test users to validate results and iteratively improving models with usage and additional data sources. This iterative approach grows end-user adoption and trust while evaluating AI agents' capabilities to enhance their results. Zero Trust Security Implementation. Stephen Manley, CTO of Druva, argues that trustworthy AI agents must follow zero trust principles to secure data access, integrate into secure ecosystems, and protect sensitive information. Manley outlines these critical requirements. Agents must function within role-based, least privileged access architectures, ensuring master data remains protected throughout operations. This fundamental security principle becomes even more critical when autonomous agents access sensitive enterprise information. Tools must integrate seamlessly into existing observability ecosystems, enabling comprehensive monitoring of agent activities and decisions. Without proper visibility, security teams cannot identify potential threats or policy violations. Data protection must span the entire AI lifecycle, including data collection, preparation, model training, fine-tuning, and deployment phases. Each stage presents unique security challenges requiring specific protective measures. Jimmy Mester, co-founder and CTO of RAD Security, weighs in on operational security. Effective agents must access real-time telemetry, retain short and long-term memory across interactions, and trigger actions in external systems. Devidas Desai, SVP of Product Management of ASAP, adds brand protection considerations. Your generative agent must behave as an extension of your brand. So, insist on deep observability, including live traces, redaction logs, token spend, and CX-level KPIs, plus policy-driven levers that let you fine-tune prompts, guardrails, and fallbacks without opening a ticket. Stanislas Polu, software engineer and co-founder of Dust, introduces a provocative concept. AI agents won't be tied to specific individuals, but will act as full team members. My assessment: AI agents represent significant security hotspots due to the enterprise data they access, the automations they enable, and the user roles they assume. Security capabilities will become key differentiators for enterprise-ready AI agent development platforms. But here's where it gets controversial. Are we prepared to treat AI agents as employees with corresponding access rights? 7. Native DevOps integration. Over 40 established DevOps best practices cover the complete application lifecycle, from planning and building through deployment and monitoring. Seek AI agent development tools offering native capabilities alongside integrations with commercial DevOps platforms. Teams need capabilities like version traceability, testing for response accuracy, and built-in guardrails to ensure the ethical use of AI, states Gloria Ramchandani, SVP of Product at Capado. Just as with any modern DevOps workflow, agents must also be deployable across environments with auditability and control. The most effective tools and platforms are those that empower cross-functional teams to ideate, build, test, and deploy agents with security at scale. My guidance: AI agents will require continuous development, particularly as models improve, underlying data changes, and new workflows get integrated. Establish high baselines for DevOps capabilities, especially around continuous testing, advanced CI/CD, and comprehensive observability. Organizations treating AI agents like traditional software deployments are setting themselves up for failure. 8. Essential operational reporting. Production AI agents may fail in subtle ways, such as responding with obvious hallucinations, or worse, taking autonomous actions detrimental to business operations and brand reputation. Monitoring AI agents isn't a straightforward pass-fail SLA-driven operation, and significant grey areas exist around response accuracy. Advanced AI agent building tools and platforms must include monitoring and reporting capabilities, helping users identify model drift and other potential errors. Once agents are successfully deployed for real work, it becomes critical to understand better when and why they fail, explains Michael Berthold, CEO of Nime. However, tools that allow users to actually trace what and why an agent came to a certain conclusion or performs a specific action are still rare. Saurabh Sadani, CTO of SalesLoft, emphasizes performance analytics. Comprehensive monitoring and analytics are essential for developers to understand how their AI agents perform in production and identify what needs improvement. Without detailed dashboards showing success rates, user satisfaction and failure points, developers can't effectively iterate and refine their agents based on real usage. A new discipline called Agent Operations, or AgentOps, is emerging that combines capabilities from DevOps and ModelOps, including observability and monitoring, to track accuracy, reliability, and performance of AI agents effectively. Mariam Ashori, head of product at IBM's WatsonX.ai, elaborates. AgentOps is a fast-growing discipline, and to excel at it, AI builders need the right tools to optimize, deploy, and monitor agent behaviors at scale. AgentOps tools should act as a central nervous system for orchestrating agents once they're deployed, governing and securing them, so their autonomy doesn't turn from asset to liability. My perspective, AgentOps represents an emerging capability that will likely incorporate aspects of traditional monitoring tools, AIOps platforms, and AI agent development tools. Organizations ignoring this trend risk deploying agents they cannot effectively manage. Final thoughts and the big questions. Many organizations remain in early stages of AI agent development, while technology companies continue introducing new development capabilities, such as agent integration protocols like agent-to-agent, A2A, and Model Context Protocol, MCP. Companies considering AI agent development should maintain both short-term and long-term perspectives on tools supporting the complete AI agent development lifecycle. But here's the controversial question nobody wants to address. Are we moving too fast with AI agent deployment? While everyone rushes to implement AI agents, are we adequately considering the long-term implications of autonomous systems making decisions on behalf of our organizations? Think about it. We're essentially hiring digital employees that never sleep, never take breaks, and can access vast amounts of enterprise data. They can make decisions, take actions, and represent our brands to customers. Yet many organizations are selecting development platforms based on short-term convenience rather than long-term strategic value. Here's what I want to know. Do you believe your organization is ready to treat AI agents as full team members, with corresponding responsibilities and access rights? Are you prepared for the security, ethical, and operational challenges that come with truly autonomous AI agents? And most importantly, are you selecting development platforms that will still be relevant and supportive when AI agent technology matures beyond its current experimental phase? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you excited about the potential of AI agents, or do you share concerns about moving too quickly? What criteria do you think are most important when evaluating AI agent development platforms? Share your perspective in the comments below.